Yo, check it out, guys. So I just got my exhaust. I was too excited to open it, so I just went ahead and opened it and laid it over there. But just got my exhaust, 4-inch straight pipe exhaust, catless, made in the U.S. of course. And the exhaust that I went with is fabworx. Looked like to me, for the price that they have and the quality that how they made their exhaust, I love it. To be honest, I wasn't even disappointed. Man, 4-inch straight pipe exhaust. Look how beautiful that looks. Check out that finish. Man, it looks amazing. Right now I'm currently running a stock exhaust on that one. Pretty much the whole car's exhaust for now. But yeah, I'm so excited to get this installed. And I'm also waiting for the downpipes that I ordered through them as well. They should be getting here tomorrow. So yeah, man, I can't wait to hear the turbo spool and get it running. I'll probably do a another video on how the car sounds before and after. So stay tuned.